Adding money to your Revolut account is a straightforward process, and there are several methods available to do so. Here's how you can add funds to your Revolut account. Bank transfer. You can transfer money from your regular bank account to your Revolut account by initiating a bank transfer. To do this, log into your regular bank's online banking platform or visit a branch and set up a transfer to your unique Revolut account details, including your Revolut account number and sort code. Debit card. You can link your debit card to your Revolut account and use it to add funds instantly. Simply navigate to the Add Money section in the Revolut app, select the option to add money via debit card, enter the amount you want to add, and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the transaction. Credit card. In some regions, Revolut allows users to add funds using a credit card. However, please note that using a credit card for this purpose may incur additional fees or cash advance charges. So, it's essential to check the terms and conditions of your credit card provider. Swift bank transfer. If you're adding money from an international bank account, you can use the Swift network to transfer funds to your Revolut account. Ensure you use the correct Swift or BIC and IBAN details provided by Revolut for this purpose.